Hi, I'm Jake, and in this class we will learn how to create a logo burn animation template, which does not require any external plugins. You don't need to have any experience working with Adobe After Effects. You can even download the free trial version and it will work fine. I'll explain each step we are going to take to create this effect. You can use your logo, text, or any shape to get a unique look. I'll provide you with all needed knowledge so you can understand each setting and make adjustments to make this effect look exactly as you want. You can always write your questions in discussion section under any of my classes to get help from me while creating cool effects. I'm excited to see your projects after completing this class. I think it's the best way to learn new software while creating interesting effects for fun. And to complete this class, our goal is to create your logo burn animation After Effects template. I'll be happy to see you in my class, as also your result after following all the steps. So, let's get started!